Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to remove the background from your pictures without losing the quality and also without watermarks. And today we're going to be using the Inshot app. So to start with, you go to your Inshots and then you click on photos. You pick on any photo of your choice. I picked this one because I like it. You go to cutouts. You see? It just did it automatically for you. And if you don't want it to be done that way, if you want to do it manually, you can simply use the eraser to clean more things if you want to clean. But I have nothing to clean, so I just leave it like this because I just want the picture. And then you can also superimpose. Look, you can make it bigger or smaller, and you can do it with any color and any style you want. Ooh, I like this one. This looks so good. It has lighting and you can change the color. And you can also download this picture without the background, so it will be a PNG. So when you're done, you just click on save, and that's how you do it. Yes, look, it has no background. It looks cute. You can also change the background in the Inshot app if you want. So till I come your way next time, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay notified. Bye.